Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that's come up a lot lately, and that's, what's the file size limit for Basecamp? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Basecamp is for those who might not be familiar. Basecamp is a project management and collaboration tool that helps teams stay organized and on track. It has a variety of features, including file storage, task management, and messaging. So back to the question at hand. What's the file size limit for Basecamp? Well, the answer is a bit complicated. It depends on the type of file you're uploading. For most file types, the maximum file size is 250 megabytes. However, there are a few exceptions. For example, the maximum file size for video files is 100 megabytes. Here's a breakdown of the file size limits for different file types in Basecamp. Image files, 250 megabytes. Video files, 100 megabytes. Audio files, 250 megabytes. Document files, 250 megabytes. Spreadsheet files, 250 megabytes. Presentation files, 250 megabytes. PDF files, 250 megabytes. If you're trying to upload a file that's larger than the limit, you'll receive an error message. It's important to note that the file size limit may change in the future. So, it's always a good idea to check the Basecamp website for the most up-to-date information. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions about Basecamp, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.